Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 8 to the power x is equal to 800, or 8, this can be written as 2 to the power 3. This is 8 and whole to the power of this x is equal to right side, this is 800, or according to law of exponent, a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power bc. So applying this, we can write 2 to the power of this 3 times x. So this is 3x is equal to right side 800. Now taking log to the both side, we can write left side log of this 2 to the power of 3x is equal to right side will be log of 800, or now applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So applying this formula, this 3x times log of 2 is equal to this log, and 800, this is 2 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 2. 2 to the power 5 is 32 times 5 square is 25, and 32 times 25 is 800. Or left side 3x log of 2 is equal to, applying formula log a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So applying this formula, log of this 2 to the power 5 plus this log of 5 square, log of 5 square, or left side 3x log of 2 is equal to, again applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. We will get 5 times this log of 2 plus, here applying this formula again, it will be 2 times log of 5. Now divided both side by 3 times log of 2, so we can find the value of x. Now divided both side by 3 times log of 2, we will get left side 3x log of 2 divided by 3 times log of 2 is equal to this 5 times log of 2 divided by 3 times log of 2 plus this 2 times log of 5, 2 times log of 5 divided by this 3 times log of 2, or this 3 and this 3 will cancel out, and this log 2 and log 2 will cancel out, and it will be x. So left side is x is equal to, here this log of 2 and log of 2 will cancel, and it will be 5 over 3. So 5 over 3 plus this 2 over 3 times this log of 5 over log of 2, log of 5 over log of 2. So the value of x is equal to 5 over 3 plus this 2 over 3 log of 5 over log of 2. Applying logarithm formula, we can write log of this 2 base of this 5. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.